We're gonna be doing a Q&A, answering some questions that you guys asked us on Instagram. And yeah, let's get started. So our first question is, where do you get your confidence from? And Lydia, you can start on that. I used to have really low self-esteem. A lot of people, like my family members and ex-boyfriends or whatever, would put me down. And then, like, I think eventually I just learned to like who I am and what I look like, and started not giving a fuck about what people think.
Right. So, for me to answer that, I pretty much got cheated on a lot, and I looked at myself in the mirror like, Linda, what's wrong with you? Is it the way you look? Is it the way you act? Why do you keep putting yourself in situations where they would cheat on you? Like, I'm just like, am I boring? So pretty much it got to a point, I think around like last year, I got cheated on, and I don't know, I just decided like, hey, I looked at myself in the mirror after I got cheated on, I'm like, hey, there's nothing wrong with me. There's something wrong with him. There's something wrong with them. So that's where I got my confidence from. I used to care about what people thought about me, and I cared too much about that, where I pretty much ignored how I felt about myself. And I don't know, everyone said, you know, I changed a lot after my boob job, but I feel like I just don't give a fuck about what you say anymore. I care about how I feel about myself. I care about what Lydia, my mom, my family feels about me, but if I don't know you, I don't give a fuck about you. So that's where I got my confidence from. It's just over and over again, I just kept getting fucked over, and it got to a point where, you know what, I don't care. Like, I do me, and that's it. Our next question is, Roman, our really close friend, he's a videographer.
Hi,
Roman! So he asked, what are your accomplishments?
So you can start this question.
Okay, so mine is, I'm coming up as a dancer. Growing up, I started out crumping. I'm pretty much raised in Maryland, and self-taught myself how to dance through videos. Never had proper lessons, really, not that I can think of. And that's my biggest this year. Everything else is pretty much the same for me. And then what are your accomplishments?
So makeup has really taken off for me the past year. I'm getting like so booked. Like in October, I have 3 weddings every weekend, and I started my bridal hair and makeup company, in which I have my own team of artists, and I call them my win artists. So on the days that I'm like already booked, I will send them out, and that's really awesome for me to have.
And she's only 23?
Yeah.
She's only 23, and she has 2 businesses. One includes me in it. We both have, we launched our line Shop Pretty Gang this year.
Mm-hmm.
It's an online boutique, so visit us at shopprettygang.com. Also, this year, I think, me and you were featured in Rico Band's music video along with I Am Sue.
Futuristic, featuring D Pride.
Yep. So I think those 2 are our accomplishments together.
Yeah.
So let's do this. Ja Rule. Ja Rule 24 asked, are you guys single? Are you single?
Yeah.
We're both single.
Yeah.
But we're not looking because
Too many fuckboys.
too many fuckboys. They hit us up after 2 a.m.
Yeah.
and they just want this Asian pussy.
Yeah.
Like,
but we can't blame them because, you know, our titties are always out.
we can't expect a church boy.
Yeah. We look like fuck girls.
So we attract, like, assholes. But I want a church boy. Just letting you guys know, but we're not looking. I think guys drag us down from what we want to do. Jealousy. They're needy. They want us to cook because I don't fucking cook.
Or clean. I don't clean.
She don't fucking clean. She won't. I mean, I can cook, like, Asian foods, but I'm cooking for myself.
Yeah.
Okay? Other than that, they're just too needy. Like, they're like a pet dog that I don't want. You know? So, we're single. Not looking. If we fall in love, we fall in love, but we're really not
trying
to at all. But if we did try, we'll definitely go to meetblackpeople.com. Them light skins though.
Our homie Linda Nan.
Yeah, her last name is Nan.
What size are y'all titties?
They are 32 double D.
We're the same size.
I can fit in a 34C.
Yeah, same here.
But shout out to Dr. Aldo for making us silicone twins. Like, good doctor. Scottsdale, check him out. No shame, no game on my boobs. My homegirl Denise, she asked, how did you two meet?
I just dated someone that she knew, and then we became friends after that. But we didn't become super close till maybe like 2 years ago.
Yeah, we've known each other for a while. We didn't get close. We've known each other for a couple years, actually.
Yeah. Coda Baco.
He asked,
Jigglypuff or Snorlax?
Snorlax.
Yeah.
Digging him. Or it. Okay, so I think I spelled this wrong. But we're not going to call him out because it might be embarrassing. But actually, he wrote it in our thing. Maybe he wants a shout out. But he asked, when you going to let me take you out on a date? But he asked Lydia, not me. So, Lydia, your response to him is?
Linda takes me on dates.
So that's a no. And plus, you're on private.
Yeah, I can't see what you look like. I just see like a Disney princess.
Yeah, like I don't even know if, I don't know. Like, that's a little shady, you know? Maybe DM us a picture. Not your dick though. We don't want no dick pics. I mean, a lot of people send us so many dick pics. It's ridiculous because it's like, it's ugly. What makes you so confident to send us a nasty, like, crooked ass dick? I'm just saying, you know? And short and skinny, like,
come on.
We don't want dick pics. But them ladies though, send us some titty pictures.
Yeah,
we're fine with those.
And some booty pics.
Booty pics too, man. We might be low key lesbians. I don't even know. So Yobo Jajax.
Yo boy Ajax.
I'm dying. He asked Kendrick Lamar or Schoolboy Q.
Drake.
Chris Brown, bitch. Yep, you asked the wrong fucking question.